Welcome to Ziyawa Mzansi. You know, ngilonge ngizitshela ukuthi mhlambe sesidlulile kule season yama cash heist and whatnot. But turns out yesterday there was another heist that took place at Katlehong. It is said ukuthi yenzeke eKatlehong. I forgot this place, but it happened at Katlehong. There's this mall or shopping center. It took place right around here. These guys, they were driving whatever vehicle they were driving, and then they bumped that truck that was carrying cash. And then, you know what happens. They blow up the whole thing, and then everything bese kuba yilento kuba yiyo. But now into engixaka kakhulu ile ukuthi angazi or are we already in that space whereby makwenzeka i-cash heist as a community we group each other and then we go and we loot kule moto ekwenzeke kuyo this particular incident. Like in this case, the people were around, they saw what was happening. Like you see now, they are rushing to loot this vehicle that was robbed. And it is said that there's someone that died there. Khona umuntu ewashona, and this is something emangazayo ukuthi yenzeka kanjani into enjengalena. But well, guys, sihlale South Africa, anything is possible. You see, these are the remains of that cash truck that was bombed, and yeah, they managed to open one safe and took an undisclosed amount of cash. Babaleka nayo. Yiyo into esalile le makwenzeka this whole thing. As you can see, this scene was chaotic. Mawuzobona kunjena kusela imoto zinje, that shows ukuthi it was really hectic. And there's also one person who passed away la kule event, kule scene. There's one person who died, and it was an innocent bystander ushayiswe imoto. I guess makuyochayiswa yona lento le. This is where the whole thing happened. And this, I don't know what he, like, into esizoyithini la kule country nge-crime, the way iphezulu ngakhona, it's shocking, man. Izinto ezenzeka la kule country, in fact all over, I think ngathi la kule country phela, because it's something that happens all over. Even in our neighborhoods we face the very same thing, you know. And kuba buhlungu ke ukuyobona someone who is a member of your family owenza umsebenzi ofana nalo ahamba emsebenzini kwenzeke this incident, and then someone doesn't come back. Kuba buhlungu. But these guys, they don't care. They just don't care. They do whatever they do, and then ukuthi kufe bani kulimele bani, they don't care, you know. Ibuhlungu yonke lento le. Ibuhlungu yonke lento le yenzeka la. Ibuhlungu. It's a very sad thing le yenzeka la. You see. So in your own thinking and your own understanding of what we are going through as a country, what do you think should be the solution against ama cash heist la wesibhekene nawo la kule country sihlala kuyo? You see, this is something that was happening, and there is someone who died kuyo le incident le. There is someone who died, sadly, and it's unfortunate ukuthi kugcine kudlule emhlabeni umuntu innocent ongahlangani nalento le. But these are the things esibhekene nazo as a country. So what do you think is the solution going forward ukuthi siba safe kanjani as the citizens of the country. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Just hit me up in the comment section and then I'll see you on the next one. And from me to you, I'm signing out. Peace. Take care. Bye.